Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your energy usage with SolarCity detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current energy consumption. Determine your monthly electricity usage by checking recent utility bills. Next, research SolarCity's offerings for solar energy solutions. Visit their official website to explore solar panel options and financing plans. Identify if your home is suitable for solar installation. Consider factors such as roof orientation, shading, and available space. Reach out to SolarCity for a free consultation. A representative will evaluate your energy needs and home conditions. During the consultation, ask questions about system size and potential savings. Review the proposal provided by SolarCity after the assessment. This proposal will include system costs, financing options, and estimated savings. If you're satisfied with the proposal, proceed with signing the agreement. SolarCity will schedule an installation date that works for you. Before installation, ensure that any necessary permits are obtained. The installation team will arrive on the scheduled day with all necessary equipment. They will install solar panels, inverters, and any additional components. After installation is complete, a representative will conduct a system inspection. Once approved, your system will be connected to the grid. SolarCity will provide you with instructions on system monitoring. Stay informed about energy production and monitor your savings through their app. Enjoy the benefits of reduced energy bills and contribute to a more sustainable future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.